So this video is on installing a kill switch right here to a used Sequoia that was draining the battery. I took it to two mechanics. They didn't know what the problem was. They said it could cost thousands to look for the problem and what was causing the battery to drain very rapidly in a matter of hours. And battery's new, everything checked out okay, so it was something they couldn't easily determine, and they said it would cost thousands. So one option the mechanic gave me was installing a kill switch. Got this on Amazon here. Okay, wires run through the firewall, basically the same hole that's already pre-existing where the the hood latch goes through. Got some tools here, and basically wires come out through here. One of them will be going to the negative, and the other one is connected to the negative of the car, which possibly goes to the engine block down there, and a grounded wire that goes to the frame of the car. So I changed this wire out, the ground, made it a little bit longer, and these wires, of course, I got on Amazon, 0-1 gauge. Got this one on Amazon as well, just to replace the old one. And so, yeah, pretty straightforward. You cut the circuit off. So engine block, negative, this black one, ground brought together to this wire. That's gonna go to the kill switch. And so when it's off, it disrupts the flow of electricity. And when it's on, it's gonna allow the flow to go from the engine block, the ground, the vehicle, to the negative of the battery. It's connected here to the negative, okay? And kill switch is in the off position, right there, okay? No lights on the dash, okay? Then switch it over in the on position. That light right there came right on, and so did that one. So there we go. And it worked. So this just cost that was give or take 20, wire was 30, some terminal ends for the battery, another 8 or so, and electrical tape. The other tools I had already. So all in all, saved a few thousand just for now with doing this, and I'll mount this somewhere around here or under here, and yeah, so this will do for now.